Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Mercedes Benz C Class. So from any screen, knock it up to the top screen so that's highlighted. Then you're on to Navi, click Navi. At the bottom there you've got you've got destination, position, TMC and guide. So we want destination, click on destination. Address entry from memory, from last destinations, from points of interest. You're not interested in them. Address entry, so click on address entry. And then we've got map, country, town, street, number, continue. At the bottom we've got postcode, so knock it down one further onto postcode, select postcode, click on it, and then it's got the nice easy thumb wheel to use. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4 and then JS, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. Select that, then you've got continue. It gives you the option to put a number in, but we're no number, so continue. And then you've got to click start.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.